Good morning. It's Monday, April 30th. Trade disruptions are a constant threat to the seafood industry, as seafood is the most internationally traded commodity. The Norwegian salmon industry dodged a major bullet when the Russian veterinary service only suspended import licenses for 13 Norwegian companies instead of the 30 companies that they had threatened. This is not likely to have a market impact. For the U.S., a more serious threat is what's going to happen with the USDA catfish inspection program. Currently, the USDA is committed to bringing about the catfish inspection program in fiscal 2013, which means by October of this year. Until now, they have not been able to really implement it. There's a move on the part of a number of senators to defund the USDA's ability to enact a separate catfish inspection program. This program would definitely put the pangasius industry at risk. So far this year, imports of pangasius from Vietnam have risen about 40%, and along with tilapia, pangasius fillets is one of the mainstays of the low-cost fillet market in the U.S. currently. A USDA catfish inspection program that applied to pangasius would immediately halt those imports for at least a couple of years until some sort of alternative inspection regime could be worked out. It's important, I think, that the industry is aware of this risk. In March of this year, the pangasius importers dodged a big bullet when the U.S. Trade Commission did not make a very negative move against duties and allowed a number of companies that import pangasius to continue their very low duty rates. The upshot is this is a risk we live with. Hopefully the efforts of the other agricultural exporters who are very much opposed to the USDA sparking a trade war over catfish, and the efforts of senators to defund this portion of the USDA program will prevail. But if not, U.S. buyers are going to be in the same position as their Norwegian counterparts, which is they're going to be impacted by a trade war they had no part in making. In Lexington, Mass., this is John Sackton.